dirty character, then they do things. Somebody no call they ask, they run away. Run away because they get plan. If I notice your dirty character, I run away from you. I have no anything to come and tell you. I no bio will be and do your own, I do my own. Good evening, Mama.
Good evening, Bele.
God, Jay.
I don't know why they look for your trouble. Yeah. Another one when you see talk, they say that they carry enemy for your matter. Why did they go they carry enemy for your matter? Like somebody like me, if I see my colleague for work, maybe I bring your matter on, you know, asset. I know they follow you. I not go follow you. Maybe we go they you say, now so you get keep this, now so you get keep. I not go follow you. I go just stop that word because as when you buy house. We your lover don't say you buy us. I don't go they follow another person go they had you say you know buy us. You say you buy. I don't go follow you because number one, the person when you want follow you, you know they call your ass, may you give her 1 room. Me when one thing call the you, I don't go call your ass, may you give me 1 room. Why they carry enmity for your matter?
And they come make I address that one, my love. Where's CJ? Thank you. I go address that one. Okay? Because you see this head. Anybody will pull line. I don't go come and go follow you do la la la. I don't pass that level. Don't be saying I go come. If it easy, build a name like mine. It no easy. Gather women and fit talk to them. We go listen. Now money you not take the buy mommy. Now natural. God give me Dorcas. We big budu, mommies of movers and checkers. Mommy ni ene gbe woto le ene gbe e social media. Okay, my people, as I was saying just now, if you come to somebody platform or you say you and the person they close, and suddenly you notice. You say you and the person not that close again. This is your own way, so please, you are supposed to go. If you not go, you wait until trouble happen. If you no re in your here go we gwezo dane. O here go we gwezo ni ba son baba e ke nu gwiela. If you me here mudia, if you ba ni jebe. O here mudia, wa gwe wefo ni, o I gwe spiritually memani. Why you are book, you are book, you are better, you are big, you are big, and because I may walk back with Sonny. Because anybody will notice say, person not come like me again. You know hear from me, I know hear from you. You know consign. What we are used to doing? This thing where he talk so he don't pass how many months since last year. Why you man? Why you man? Even the day when we they talk, what did they call this man? AKO family matter. He's still there here. They ask, give me the name, give me the name. Oh, come here. Just no get no your back. Aji no jorion. Yeah. You well, talking you when you know where might take up better, might teach you a shabone, might see it when no money, no or more pan with a bone, a back by your where you are jail. And you are jail. No wow. Because friendship is not by force. If you notice how many, this is west of your own mouth, or see, I maybe you no rain, you are not jave ya fefe, go on no anywhere, or maybe go ye kuve no wabu yeku, no wa ya tie. There be no keke no woman, no man setting no way, but I know me a talk buwaiva. Me a talk buwaya fefe, no man tin no way, but I need. Say, you say, I can't notice, she not gonna be my friend. She called it, waiting you come do for my house. Why you go over why you want ya bo? Oh, why many yet time you may ya bo? Oh, why many let go down? Why you go on? Okay, una agwale nunu me. Una agwale nunu me. I Jesu me ga nowe. E mano so weka we gbene nane. O salopo an gunya gbinigbina ne ma o. O gunya gbinigbina ni ama hen. Ama irabu. We no me eti e demion paji for 1 year no banwe. Umo bo me ra o me gberere emi na logwe. Emi na logwe. Emi ya fefefe. Ni me yogwe ya bi. Sikoko ona logwe. Oh, ik ben boni hier na wina. Man wina no we me ya ni ken ri oboji. I'm ashamed of you guys. Friendship is not by force. Please, anybody like this, stop it. That is that. Then the part of say where this lady talk just now, I wait here no one. Mommy Susie, have you ever noticed? Say the truth, oh, don't bio me. Have you noticed it? Have I ever behaved strange to you because you are afraid to Franvito? You are afraid to Ewinoguya? You are afraid to anybody where I say, I don't want them. Please, have you noticed because you call them, because you follow them, because you share their views on what they are doing there? Have you noticed I be a I ask strange. I do like you are enemy. Have you noticed? If you are still here, have I ever for 1 day, because of your friend or sister that time, again we a sister here, to ade we are ni men negbian amebo ni awidigunwe. Have you ever noticed that I not stay away from you? I not treat you like outcast because you went to Franvito, you went to Nenemi, you have I ever? Have you guys noticed it? No when you be go no why can wa mai then wa ya gwalo ni ma dawa mo hia togbowa e fana motio hia la wa gbe then wa te wa wan na wa ma me monika kuna akonere amere mu na dano wa na jumu wa ya mu. Never. I don't do it. It's none of my business. It is none of my business. Why should I do that? Why should I? You call them, you go to their house, you shop with them, you eat with them, you become their godmother, their spiritual mother, their financial mother, their general overseer. Who will the you they can't carry that your body come my house. I be you they can't carry phone, can't give me hello Monica. I think say you should not do the director no want to platform immediately. Nous voyons Johnny Boy concerne major boy ya affecté ni ma vous ba we il me vous ka gba ni nyoma bo ki concerne ni dege wagi mama ni mighty so ni gbe ere no bias ni ki so na ira ginwa o wa we ma igwe total ye platform we ma igwe total you na ira ye ma ti fa gbo no fa ma wa na fa wo abi ma on ti Jesu me no mu wa gbo to wa na mu we gbo to. On tient na minye we na do draw a line no go sati loto na mo me cause I gbo ma ba me yon e set ka gbo ma ba me yon no man go scot free o wa na gbe me ba me platform e ma yo we e ma to e ma me wo to e
what can help you?
then who me according to you go make friend with somebody now from that time you notice very many of them are friends. Mama Susie never noticed one day say okay we here we gbin or ijebe or maybe the Monica ri wi yen If you may anywhere, no boy, we just know what leba anything. Oh, who walk, but we are special when any manner. When any manner. When ni jemure, we make diploma panure you wepo. Error. We know him with a nepo maria we may waste away the social media do free of thing. Iye koye je uye gba. We no re no ba two country le ni akae. E po magba ume sa when we contracting we no wa jele na jenu re na. Error. Ume mortgage ume ade. De mi okpa ni mene monika. Me we ayagba ni mi na rai miegi o consign le consign we. Amba no bi me ya gie achievement we. For what? Was ye be very onire. E plan na de yeke. Yi we no ke udikpa u ya de yo here. We me here na me one con they say I dey shape body say you go make friend with what? With people when me pursue. Since when me pursue, they never look back, make I say, boy, are you okay? Not be say you go meet people where better rich slipper wear for leg. Now make me go see you leave me, you can't go meet people where better pass me. People where me throw waiting today. To even talk to them is abomination, a taboo to me. For what? For what? I know myself. I know my Kenya eri. Aye ko bon pikin take give man paper. They don't born for the woman never even free of charge. Oh, this one not be country where they say go work come. Just born person born for never feel give. That one a woman when me want to sit down cause say la na dear we obi akakin uzoa you are here me you here cafe. I don't know people where I go drop come and make we counterfeit na small children when me they carry a mo when ni vegani memo when mami o no ta mo we me munyere uno pa je 40 something mini egani me na ku ya do ke vie ma recess. Any man jackpot in Nigeria. Me want you but to a cafe. When I'm me go mure. I can't do that. Then ye come. Wait I want count for them. I said small pikin, come here. For waiting. When my sister daughter senior her. For waiting now. Even there. My family know they talk for social media. No me say they know they look my quality display. Am I crazy? Oh, I'll come carry the near where idigun bewane. Nidigun bewane. Nebo bera. No man no bera na mi we la wo. Ah do ya rije ya rie kwa. Are you okay? People where mama shop my food, their in-law shop, their own children shop, their pregnant woman shop, even they shop, see put a Monica with me to total. If the woman in Lare, for what? For what? Emmanuel go get me a job, but why do you complain? Are you seeing what you sent to them? Yes. Why should I complain? I'm not complaining. Let them continue. I never seen a man say they can continue. He had the man say Monica. Maybe he ain't at the same level. My junior brother we come that the senior day. I'll come carry them. Even if the day when me see the talk to when my junior brother we say leave the CIA. CIA, I'm with the leka. And me do go. La revana, you will never get paper. Where don't use pen, give woman. 4 children where your maid they use 1 pikin to get paper. You don't carry spend. Give woman 4 times. Paper not fit come out. You will not get one thing where you feel achieve all for hand. You will be say even the children and the wife you born for begging in abroad. Yo, I don't understand. Or marriage when me don't do ring with them and don't keke. Now people they do what's it sing one year? A meeting at Jojo, a marriage now, Jojo, and easy go silly no, Anya, we. Rigo, nobody go jagger or Rigo, marriage for picking, marriage for donation, marry. Marriage is come your marriage when me don't do. Picking when me born for his side after marriage. He don't become madam. He don't become madam. Boy picking when me born for inside the marriage. I don't need to turn boy to get to boy. I'm not confused. Oh, I'm a Niger. Make I wear boy clothes, get clothes, wear get clothes, boy clothes, get confused. Why? Now those one you go meet. Now you say, since we are now let that part we are here, I go swear. I don't need to talk with you. I want to put for this social media. I not go talk. I not go talk. Say you carry yourself, you carry to people where me no even look back. I just pursue them. I am done. If you like the mark from today till 100 years, it's none of my business. Because we are not in the same category. By age, I senior them. Where? Coming to abroad, I senior them. Marry, I senior them. Correct marriage. When nobody put a meeting at door, marry me, mommy daddy my people put money for $1, make una put will not give me donation, make it not out of me, who give me you be my mommy I not do that kind of marriage. I not born for children before they marry me My mother-in-law never ever get audio call. Wait for talk down on me. Ijo, I don't see my mate for social media. They do marry before I do my own. I don't get confused. I never call police for husband 40 times, 28 times. So I don't born my children out of if you born when they give on a paper. Now man walk. Wait till you can say make I do competition with these people for. We are one converse. You could din una dohere. Uhuko dukpa una rio uwohere. Say for year you no feel ground. There's still the see some people will come up for year. They will mommy yeah gas. Ija. They even still front seats before the table leg break. Some people will still come up for year. At least they will benefit and chatting outside. People still know them. Mommy Monica, because of you, I do this for her. Because of you, I do this for her. You even there, yeah. You not feel buy a table share. You not feel buy inside table share. You not even buy people where they stand for door. People where they stand for door for yeah. Who pop ye ya vawon? Iya nuru wiku ye mwe va enwe. E fon table me de se wo at all. You will not get any position for people will still get high table where their table let break for ye. They still go inside with what me ma go ama we. Ama we no make the position ujebema. Ure senta roda u veri yeke. Yani moja ye eku u popo ya wa ya boom weva. Then you can't come up for where you not even fair get position. You can't go now back to give me help me, may I call you mommy. Mommy by benefit. Ija, okome. Jesu no get no yoba. Mommy Monica teach me how to fish. Me ye fie kegbe. Feel like I teach you how to ocean. I teach you how to swim. It's none of my business. Come on, get out of here. You know even nobody even notice. You are crying outside, friend. I can't greet her, not greet me. Can't greet her, not greet me. Magipa. Ou mari pa ou agwa l'attention. Ou agwa l'attention ki ou so do. Ya re marriage na rigoji na ya amenye gegye. Ya zejo. Wa ni beleve man e boni tie nu wa. E gegye wa ya yigo de love. Kosu wa ya merere. E gegye. Wa keva ze ando wa be mi obo mi ege ya wo kon na break. Mu wala why one caro na eta ti say they no know na all of una where we comot their table leg for you they know now they know na no money no law wamana zigo no attention now that one don't ever say that say you can't because you can't go do friendship with who somebody that I have never opened my mouth to reply. Because they don't we are one staff from. No let their mama for evil say make I be. Even their mama na local ashawo. Ashawo we go carry belle for ashawo as. Local ashawo. Ashawo we supposed to go Abidjan. Go end up for Zaria. Zaria ashawo. This is not they say. This is for us 6 months. Wait till you can say, now dear mama, you know say me. Now mama they like to beat. Because many of you don't meet my level, also also meet my level. Wait till I don't see for life. Maybe now una mama. That's why I like maybe una mama. Like that one that day. He say the reason why I don't fit talk to him mama, me and mama not at the same level because him mama they marry and na veggie apiko. Let me also tell and say that is the reason why me need your mama because me and your mama don't experience marriage. You public apiko yari yahu. Akpiko na me no nyai. Ama we no asigo yo. Ama we mommy come and see what I brought home. You know day. Akpiki me amu ariyo wa. Mommy oh yes son. Come and see what I brought home. I know my mother-in-law way. I never carry belle one day. That is the reason why. My lady, you say Monica not the quit fast for their mama. Not talk like that because you are not in my shoe. Please. If me every day, make me try you. Every day I'm going to provoke you. Make you see how many days you will fit take before you bust and turn to enemy. You can't take it. No, but when you will say, I'm not your man, you are disrespecting me. What about me? You see people disrespect me and you will still be judging rubbish and nonsense. Please, if you know yourself, also stay away now. If you just know, say, some kind thing don't do your belly. Stay away. Because you go along. Wa show the bisco wa ogozu omahi now igualo how can you say that? Make I come the talk to people when not reach my level. Are you okay? People when not feel their first boyfriend become their baby papa that even rejected them. In we're here, in any way, in any form, for what? But see, baby, very on it. Hygiene need. Hygiene need. Because hygiene boom or struggle. So hygiene understand me better than any ho. When he made to me, I come to talk to public akbiko. When don't know the value of being married or what it takes to hold marriage. Me, I can't talk to such person. Am I crazy? I be gualona that for me Yahweh. Or me, I can't talk to a person, a very miserable sumo mune. Where everywhere where you go, they beacon failure like that. Where they put on for something, not in the work. Man, where virgin and go constantly give them the leg drop. Is that the kind of people you want me to sit down with? No, I need their mother quicker. Nous go me loue their mother quicker. Ni nyoye yalu. Ni me mo ki me ma. Igenya. For what? Why go there my platform? Person you come they talk rubbish. And you go take and say, all of una na so na work. They which day turn to their work? Which day they don't accept and say na their work that they eat for inside. They never fair it. Now let me one. Who social media na me? Who be social media eater na me? No social media, no life, na me. I accept. Then, waiting can be social media, whatever. You don't accept, say you are part of us. You where they doing for anything. They no rush you ba. Waiting you come the rush for. Una not the hungry. Eto ayako kije, eto ayako komo. Una don't make up for life. Why you so bad? Mana ni ameni deni yako kodo. Ini deni yako komo. Ini deni yaduku. Ini deni yari yebaye. Ini de as my salary. Ija. So which one can be social media? On gade. I don't dare yet 10 years before it become una I want enter. So wait till you want call me on gafo. Me we discover or me we dey here since na me the hunger. And you where they come now by fire by all means. You are not even coming with your content. Now people content you even they cry for. Can you imagine? Why ya do na mi mom you eh? Why ya do mi mom you eh? Why ya do mi mom you eh? You where they come now, you don't even come with your team. You never even enter, you don't the thief. Thief, don't the thief. It's not your content. Egene there in here, egena na gijena. Egene there. Ana dwek here. You carry content na thief. Release am this time. Both you and who support you. If you fall for my trap, I go collect them. Go call who get and come for me. You know the evil Facebook you can't. For una eye yeah. Waiting that they call am KO carry my 3 hours video go upload and claim and say na him get am. Till today. I don't see any blogger where say KO. Oh, see for what you did is bad. But if na Monica I go viral. Who tell una say I know if you do now, wait una they do me. Hey, come here, can you see them? So you not do video content say, oh see fekia. How can you carry Monica 3 hours video? You do 3 hours video. Oh see fekia do 45 minutes video. Me do 3 hours video. He carry my own. He claim. None of una condemn. In short, some not even understand the thing. And yet they will say they are here. Some don't even understand who wrong each other. But thank God for Facebook that gave me back my content and strike Osifo. Monica is here to stay. And if you not come for the money, because many of you that are coming is for the money, it's not a problem. But if you tell yourself, say, where you they come so nice, here shower you lie. There are rules and regulations, yeah. He said that you go learn it, or you will learn it by fire. Yeah. And if any boom kaka come this social media again, I carry out the thing bloom. Everybody carry, take shop. You can't carry shop, and I mean say go look for the trouble before you they put your mouth. If my copyright where I don't say get even before they burn the mother that burn you. If you complain with a narcissistic post, I will claim the video. Go and call me the owner. Because the owner will release them for run. You, I will claim it again. Because if they not show many of them, if na song we take on this social media by stealing people content, today we will not be where we are. I create content, I create many things on my own. I have the right to have copyrights because I can make 10 videos a day. It is my original. You motherfucker stealer, thief. You have the guts to talk to people who paved the way. We shall see. And they carry dark man video. Everybody they carry dark man video. Nobody has ever cried out Mommy Monica give me strike. Why? I tell they don't. And they carry blessing video. Everybody they carry blessing video. Nobody have cried out. I tell they don't. You were here looking for trouble. You don't wait. You don't talk tired. You see, say, I know they answer you because I studied this my work. Because he ain't keniri emo da. Ijebu wa ni mayo bo. Obo ni mwe kia wuya mwe kia wuya mwe abuya la we boy bu nothing. Iyan tota you ya tebu. Ati yan jiku. They know the sale. Yan mwe gbojebe na ge. Eran is working. Eran upopo. Their style not they go viral. Nothing. Why they not go jealousy me? Why they not go jealousy me? Their car not they go viral. Nothing they go viral. Why they not go jealousy me? I'm telling you guys now, my lovers and everybody using social media. I wish you all well. I'm not jealous of anybody. Why should I? Why should I? Who are you? In even the Edo cyberspace. Who? Monica manaya mwenere we mi iya mi so de mi igbovu wa ba meni me no wa en we ya wa be ye gun me fi la ni ama de mi igbovu wa ba ni na en we mamwe la ere wa mi wa mure nuti people where they pick una when I throw una okay wait I go officially throw una so that they go pick una make the food for start for everywhere. Please hear me and hear me good though. For we, especially me, Edo pioneer number one, that say I monetize on Facebook August 2020. And all of you said I'm a liar. Many of you said I should go and work. I make my content and you guys say my husband is jobless. No problem. But today, I've made it on social media. You believe it or not? I don't care. If you can't come now, we know why you come now. Because of money. Because you know fish shine with your salary. Because many people they say, I wish as they say, social media money deny all the year do the I mean carry your wedgie ni boom egbe wa ye ohian wo. You know me it's not their portion. Okay. You will be say he pretender for mommy. Mommy no ne come avon. Mommy ne. Mommy where they look for people where want to shine. As you come enter, no problem. Make sure say come with your content. If you not come with your content, now people general content. Now you want to carry. No problem. If copyright of the big people catch you, polite asking. Because too much of privilege, una not the value, una the abuse. Yes. If you say, no, I'm not going to do that. Oh, yeah, go and write to Facebook, fight it. Okay? Hello, ma. Yes, I ship to everywhere. Yes. Thank you. The man that called yesterday was American. Thank you. How much is the complete set? Oh, we have different price. We have the big one, we have the small one, and different. If you can come to my WhatsApp, please, I will forward you all the information. You select what you want by yourself. Yeah.